In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram link from TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok app and then right here at the bottom right hand corner tap at profile icon to open up your profile page. Here you can see Instagram icon. That means that I have already attached my Instagram account to the TikTok profile, and now in order to remove that Instagram link from here, all I have to do is just tap there at edit profile and then scroll down a bit where I can find at social section my Instagram and YouTube profiles that are connected with that specific TikTok profile. In order to unconnect Instagram profile, I can tap right there at my Instagram username and here tap at unlink. That's it. I have just unlinked Instagram from TikTok profile. Now I can move on to TikTok page, and here, as you can see, now this icon moves me to YouTube instead of Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.